Okay, everybody, sorry about my lens. I'm at the errands today. We just returned, not telling the location due for privacy. But look what I got when I was getting ready. That's right, another My Little Pony plush. But it's gonna be Rarity. Last time we did Fluttershy. Buddy, we're looking for the Rarity plush so we can find a perfect spot to film. But enough of that, we'll be waiting for an unboxing of the new plush. We'll take a look at a drive. I forgot to make an announcement for my new plush on YouTube. Uh-oh, we got the yellow traffic lights flashing. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's a fire station or something, but I don't think so. It might be not the fire station. Maybe it's broken. Okay, everybody, here's another stop sign ahead. Wow. It's considered giveaway. Giveaway means similar to yield in UK. Wow. And here we are about to enter Larchmont. This looks nice. Here's the bus stop. I think this is a school tripper route that goes to New Rochelle High School, I think. The school tripper of the bus number. It only runs from Yonkers, Mount Vernon, and New Rochelle, I think.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Pinebrook Boulevard.
Wow. I don't see the numbers, but it might be on the Hundreds Place route.
Turn right onto Pinebrook Boulevard, then turn left onto Amherst Drive.
Wow. Alright. That'll be it.
Continue on New York 125 South for 1.5 miles.
We're now in Weaver Street. I think we're getting close to Larchmont. I'm not sure we're in Scarsdale or New Rochelle because it's nighttime. We're the same location. Today's sponsor is taking off and wearing headphones. Just kidding. Hey everybody, today I got another My Little Pony plush, which is Rarity. I will start opening this up. I'm sorry I couldn't unbox Fluttershy at home because back on May we went to the Mount Sinai Doctors in Scarsdale or Hartsdale, New York. And we went for an elevator. I don't have a tripod, I left it at home, but I could see the white Here it is, everybody. We got Rarity. We'll open it right now. Tomorrow we're gonna do something cool, just like we went to the Plaza parking garage in White Plains. But instead of going that, we'll do some White Plains public school playgrounds. I have to make an announcement later. Here's a different one. This is a different comic, and it's owned by Symbiote Studios. Hey Fluttershy, we have another plush. Yeah. And Elinor. Since the original My Little Pony that I printed is the G4 version, for this, as of 2025, September 15th, I think, this video is going to be available for Rarity and Fluttershy, since we don't know if we're going to return the original version. But here's Rarity, which is a unicorn. Let's see, anything else? I think so. Here we have a different one. Here's Emo. Emo. Right now we finished the unboxing of the My Little Pony Rarity plush. I'm going to open this one right now. And tomorrow we'll think about that. And we're going to do a church in White Plains and one parking garage. One church and one parking garage. I have to make a vote for my YouTube. I don't have a tripod, unfortunately, but I might have to hug the camera like this. It's owned by Hasbro. And here it is. Here's Rarity. Here's some cutie mark.
Hello, I'm Rarity.
Oh, not Emo. Alright, here's Rarity. This is kind of small.
Yeah, I'm Rarity.
Alright, let's take off your... I said Rarity, not Emo. Let's take off your tag. There we go. Alright. Welcome to our video, Rarity.
Yeah, I have a horn on top.
Yep, just because you're a unicorn. I could see your hair. It's kind of smaller than Fluttershy. Says Rarity. Sorry about that, it's just a vacuum noise. We're gonna ignore it. I'm at the Airmans today. Here's her tail. I thought Rarity is supposed to be like dark blue or something, but it's purple. Focus. Here's Emo. Yeah, there's no internet since we're in a public place. Right, Rarity?
Yeah, Fluttershy, come here, please.
Okay, Fluttershy, we have a friend to come.
Yay, Fluttershy. We're friends now.
Yep. Hope you like my Fluttershy and Rarity plush. So, that's it. First, before we end the video, I'll take a picture of you two. Fluttershy and Rarity. Hey, Rarity, can you do the horn to get Elinor?
Okay, I will.
And there she comes with her horn to get Elinor instead of walking. Elinor's a little dirty. Might have to wash it. I couldn't wash it in days. Alright, everybody. Alright, hope you like another My Little Pony plush. So, that's it. Hope you like it.
Yay, bye.
Alright, I don't know if her hair looks right, but can't make a ponytail just like... We'll do this instead.
Yeah.
Alright, before we end the video, let's go get Luna and Zeke and Cinema Roll. I didn't bring the Benny the Ink Machine plush today. I'm going to make an announcement. You know why? For the Benny the Ink Machine plush, we're only going to use for weekends. Saturday through Sunday, except for holidays.
Yeah.
Cinema Roll. Meet Rarity.
Hey, Rarity. Yeah, I'm a unicorn. Hold on a minute. Is Rarity from British? Because I found the episodes, they sound like it.
I'm not sure if Rarity is British because her voice is like Atlantic. Cinema Roll.
Yeah.
Jill Healer, what do you think about that plush?
Yeah, look, I'm gonna hug you because you're a nice pony.
Yeah, sorry, Emo, that's not your fault. Alright, hope you like it.
Yeah. Alright, enjoy a new pony.
Yeah. Alright, hope you like this new pony for today. Tomorrow we're gonna do something special.
Yeah.
Alright. What do you want to say now before we end the video?
Hope you like it. Same here. I'm Hanazuki.
Oh, not emo. Sorry, I'm gonna turn him off. Alright. Even the pound puppies and the new My Little Pony tell your tale. Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
Alright, hope you like this video. So, that's it everybody. Hope you like it.
And I have a surprise.
What is it, Rarity? Zeke, you weren't in the video yet. Before we end, what do you think about this? Sorry you have dirty.
Yeah, we went to the park.
Yeah, I agree. Alright, that's it, Luna. What do you think about her new pony?
Yeah, hope you like it. Alright, here he goes.